So hello everyone, I welcome you all in this today's session. In this session, we'll be seeing one skill retake. What is it all about and who should use it, when should we use it, when is it appropriate to use it? We'll be seeing all those details in this today's session. So without a further ado, let's get started and let's get the ball rolling. So yes, why should you go for it and when should you go for it? Firstly, let's quickly have the introduction of this. So it's all about, it was introduced by IDP in 2023. Allows retesting just one of the skills, one of the four skills what you have, which are listening, reading, writing and speaking. You can't just take the retest of all the four skills altogether. It's just that, let's suppose you had a bad day and you got lesser band in maybe due to many circumstances it can happen. So in that particular skill you can retake this test once again. Okay, it's all about that, and it is valid for computer based test only. It is not valid for the PBT candidates. Okay, the PBT test, paper based test, it's not allowed for that. So it's valid for both academic and general training. There's no problem into that, but you must guys be attempting this test in the CBT mode. Next, what exactly is one skill retake? What is it all about? So it's a second chance to improve only one module instead of the whole test. Okay, so the higher score between the original and the retake will be counted. The higher one will be counted from your original, from this retake. Now, available within 60 days of the original test. Okay, within 60 days you can definitely retake this. Clear? Next, now key advantages. What are the key advantages? It actually saves time. Okay, it saves money, reduces stress and boosts overall band score. That's how it is advantage. That's how it is helpful for you all. Now, eligibility criteria. Who all can take this retake test? Only if you took computer based test. You can't retake the whole test once you have appeared for the PBT test. Now, must book within 60 days of your first test. Available for both academic and general, and available only in selected centers only. It is right now not available in all the centers across India, so you just need to check it once. Later, should you use it or not? So it is ideal for those candidates who scored consistently higher in all three skills. Okay, like let's suppose you got 8 in one, 7.5 in the other two. Okay, so you can then expect retaking the test in that particular one skill of yours. Okay, now requirement is that, let's suppose you got 5.5 over there, you can then improve that. Need, if you want to like improve particularly your band score for anything, maybe for PR, maybe for visa purposes, maybe for any particular university, in that case definitely you should go for it. Have good command overall, but just had a bad day in one section due to circumstances. Maybe it can be anything, right? So due to those things, if you scored lesser, in that case definitely you should go for it, appearing in that specific section once again. Now, when it's not a good idea to retake this test? See, when multiple skills are low, not only single but there are multiple skills which are low, in that case you must not consider taking the retest. When your target band gap is too big, let's suppose from 5.5 to you want to jump to 7.5, definitely you must not go for it in that case. And if you appeared in PBT, definitely you can't go retaking your test, and if you are unaware of the exact mistakes what you did, definitely you can't correct them in the second go also. So that's why you must be aware about what all mistakes you did, at least so that you can improve onto that. Now, what are the cost factor? See, approximately of 14,000 to 16,000 is gonna go for, and if you see the full exam cost, it's gonna go it like this. Okay, cost effective only if only one skill needs improvement. Okay, so let's now talk about the tips to make the most of it. So, analyze your performance report carefully. You need to analyze the report, the performance of yours carefully, so that you better know that where do you have to exactly improve on, and work specifically on the single skill strategies. Take mock tests to track improvement, and boost retake only if you feel confident. If you are confident that yes, in the second go you can definitely do well, then only go for it, otherwise not. Now, final verdict says that yes, go for it if you're just falling short in one module, and the other says that no, retake full test if your score needs improvement. If your overall score needs improvement, then definitely there is no use of taking a single retake test. Now, smart choice for smart candidates. It's gonna be kind of a smart choice. You have to be prudent, you have to be sagacious, and you have to be wise while selecting this. Next is that it's not about taking the test again, but it's about taking a smarter step this time. So this is it all about, guys. This was it about what is about retaking a test, what is about one skill retake, everything we have covered in the session. I hope this was an informative session. We'll be soon meeting you all with another one. Thank you so much.